Buongiorno a tutti. Let's do something different today. You'll see what I mean. Per mese per mano andare lontano la felicità. Lo sguardo innocente in mezzo alla gente la felicità. E restare vicini come bambini la felicità. Felicità, felicità. Un cuscino di piume, l'acqua dei fiumi che passa e va. E la pioggia che scende dentro la tenda la felicità. Abbassare la luce per fare pace alla felicità. Felicità. As I said, let's do something different today. Let's talk about this song. I decided to learn the song so that I can learn new words and to practice that flowing Italian. For sure, you've heard this song lots of times, but maybe you never knew what actually means. Of course, everybody knows that felicità is happiness. Let me read you the translation, at least some of the parts, so that you get the idea what the song is about. Happiness is holding hands and going away together. Happiness is an innocent look in the middle of a crowd. Happiness is staying close like children. Happiness is a pillow made of feather, the river's water that flows. It is the rain going down the roofs. It is turning off the lights so peace can rule. Happiness is a glass of wine and a sandwich. Happiness is leaving a note inside a drawer. Happiness is singing together how much I like you. Wonderful message, isn't it? It just tells you what happiness really is. And happiness is actually in little things in life that we can appreciate and be happy. So let me share with you the words that I learned from starting to learn this song. I probably have to do it a few times. So mezzo in Italian can be both middle and half. Interesting. But I was just thinking mezzo soprano, yes. Gente, crowd or people. Cuscino, pillow, which just makes sense. Cushion, cuscino. Pioggia, rain, similar to Romanian plouă, pioggia. Lontano, far. Andare, so andare lontano. It's in the first line of the song, andare lontano. To go far away. Another verb is restare, to remain, restare. Then also I learned some expressions. D'acqua del fiume, the water of the river. Oh, another interesting thing that I learned. La felicità è lasciarti un biglietto dentro al cassetto, is to leave a note inside a drawer. Lasciarti un biglietto, billet, dentro al cassetto. I guess cassetto is a drawer. I also learned the chorus. And the chorus actually, okay, let me read you the translation. And the chorus is, you can feel in the air our love song that flies like a thought that knows about happiness. You can feel in the air a warm ray of sun that flows like a smile that knows about happiness. And from the chorus we have senti, feeling. And già, already. Pensiero, a thought, pensiero. Also the word come, like. So here it's used in the song twice, come bambini, like children, or come un pensiero, like a thought. Che va, that goes. And sorriso, smile. On this smiling note, let me end this video. And I bet the song is going to be in your head the whole day. If so, just enjoy it and be happy and appreciate small things. Have a wonderful day. Felicità. Bye bye. Ciao.